So this is a 12-inch canvas, and I have some leftover paint from a live video that I just finished, and I wanted to make sure and be able to put out one more video since I am transitioning from my kitchen house to a studio and all that. I've got to move all my equipment and everything. So I had leftover paint, and I had one spot where I could put a canvas down in my kitchen. So here's the 12-inch canvas, and this is a cup of leftover paints, all different kinds of colors. So I think I'm going to flip it this way. So I'm going to let it sit for a minute. And I have some metallic gold that I had forgot to use with the other video. So I'm just going to stick it on the edges, the corners, because usually that's the areas that are the hardest to cover. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just putting the gold right on the edges and up in the corners just a little bit. And then I'm going to get me a push pin. I'm going to poke a hole or two. That releases that air, and here it comes. It's like a volcano. So all kinds of colors: silver, gold, red, yellow, orange, rust, brown, green, a little bit of blue, no purples. So I'm just going to let it sit for a minute. I'm going to get my torch. So this is a combination. There's a little bit of the glue wall mixture in there from the previous pour, the live pour, but a lot of it too is Floetrol or Oetrol. Some has OGX, some has silicone. So there's a little mixture of everything in this pour. So it'll be interesting to see how it turns out. I'm not crazy about the big brown thing here. So I think I'm going to tilt the opposite direction first. Just take it kind of slow and bring it back to the middle. So I'm not quite taking it over the edges yet. I'm going to take it to the brown side and let that flow off, because I'm not crazy about the brown part. So now we'll turn it this way, see what we can get. So this is a different angle. It's from my phone. I usually have a video camera above me, so I don't want to lose that bright color there. So if it's easier for you to hold the canvas a certain way, as far as tilting, if it makes it easier, then, you know, by all means do that. I'm going to get this color to come over the gold here. There's a bubble. I actually like this part really well with the silver in it. And I'll show you better in a minute. I'm trying to do it slow enough to where I don't totally stretch the cells out. Actually, I'll take some of this brownish color and go over the gold just to give it a hint of color so it's not just gold. And that way the silver can kind of run into it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to turn it again. Just make sure my edges are covered. So kind of interesting. Trying to decide if I want to add anything to it or just leave it and let it be the pour that it happened to be. Get some of this. No, I don't want yellow. Let's see if I can get some color out of this cup. Now I'm going to go get my skewer, swipe it just a little bit to bring out whatever colors are in that ribbon. But there's mostly green in this corner, so that's not changing, I don't think. A little bit of blue on the thing here. I'm trying to get some blue up on here. But okay, I think I'm done. Let me put a little gold. So here it is. That part's really cool right there with the blues and reds. I'm not sure if I'm showing it, but and there's some shadows. The silver part is really pretty. I'm not sure if you can see it. So hopefully you can see it because I can't see the screen. Some of the other colors are popping through, which is kind of cool. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I don't know where the camera is. There it is. Thumbs up. Like it. Subscribe if you'd like. And there's links below the video. I have a 2019 calendar that has my favorites and my art. And it's available in the link on the video as well. You can click on the eye in the upper right corner and it'll take you straight to my website. Or you can click on the link below the video and it will take you to the website to purchase the calendar for 2019 if you'd like it. So thank you for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving. Thank you. I am so excited. I get to share this with you. I ordered a sample of a 2019 calendar with my designs in it. It is 11 inches across, 8.5 inches deep. So when you open it up, it is 17 inches long. And so what I did is I put my favorite all-time paintings in each month. So that's January. February is the Koi Realm. March is Boom, which is a digital manipulation of a painting. The Martagon Lily is April. May is Proud as a Peacock. June is Fluffy Fish. July is Celebration. August is Mutual Attraction. September is Fiesta. October is Halloween. November is Meraki. December is Bold Flower. So, there is my 2019 with the Wings of Love on the very front. So this is a heavy quality luster satin finish paper, so it's not super glossy and it's not flat, it's just perfect. And this is something you can also take and cut out and frame later on for artwork if you would like. So I am taking pre-orders for this, and I will be posting a link in the video for your pre-orders, and I will be taking them for the next probably 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, because I'll have to get the order in time for them to get here before Christmas to get them shipped off. And you'll have to pay a small shipping fee if you're in the United States. I don't think I can ship outside of the United States. I'm not sure that I'll have time to do that before 2019 begins, but I would love for you to click on the link and get your copy of the 2019 calendar. I'm super excited about this. Thank you.